BODDAMN, and in this video, a general kind of vlog, a fitness vlog. Let's get it started. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. So in this video, I'm gonna take the camera around for like a couple days and see what we can get ourselves into. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube. Find me on Instagram at BODDAMN, and also get the free muscle building guide, first link down below. Another update, the workouts are out. They're finally available. You should check it out. Second link down below. Now, as you may or may not know, Texas was severely impacted by a winter storm. And here in Texas, we're just not prepared for stuff like that. So it was hard. Gyms were closed. I worked out in my BODDAMN gym. Oh, let's get some footage of that. Yeah, freezing. It was like, okay, not freezing, but like 40 degrees in that gym. I rarely ever work out with like long sleeves and, you know, sweatpants and all stuff like that. And I just had to. I still got all my workouts in for the week, but sometimes you have to adapt to precarious situations. That's just how it is. Anyway, this morning's workout was amazing. Went into the gym and I was doing a push, chest, kind of triceps workout, and it was a lot of fun. Pretty much gonna be part of my Genesis probably 2.0 program, and great, you know, great program. I really like it a lot and gives me the adequate volume that I need to sustain, you know, adequate muscle growth also. But it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm still 2 hours away from my first meal. I do intermittent fast, and you know, I don't get to eat as soon as my workout's over. I do work out in the morning. I was at the gym at 8 o'clock this morning. I was out of the gym by like 9:30, and yeah, first meal not till noon. But last meal also not till 8 o'clock at night, which means I can just eat a whole bunch, and I plan to. So I'm about to go do some computer work at a coffee shop, probably go to a couple thrift stores and have some fun, find some cool things to buy. But before I get there, you know, since my eating window is far away, sort of, I have to pre-make my meals and get them kind of all set up. So got a protein shake right there dialed in, a snack probably before I go ride downtown, and then the main meal right here. So protein shake plus this is gonna be the first thing. This has an avocado. It has really, really hot stuff right there. You can kind of see the redness. It has half a can of refried pinto beans, I wanna say, and has spinach, eggs, sprouted pumpkin seeds, and a couple spices, nothing crazy. That's what's up. I can't wait to eat this stuff in like an hour and a half, 2 hours kind of thing. But, so yeah, that, the freezer block, the cooler, we can get out of the house here pretty soon. You know, one of the secrets to good protein, and you're getting your omega-3s for the day, which is kind of nice. So if you have an omega-3 supplement, maybe you don't have to take it on the days that you eat sardines. Yeah, these are from Costco, wild caught, sustainable, 100% in olive oil, skinless and boneless sardines. You know, peel back the little foil, throw the sardines probably in this thing, which has some chickpeas, some potatoes, a little bit of shredded cheese, and some vegan chickless salt from Trader Joe's. I'll put a can of sardines in there, and that'll be my snack before I ride downtown, or perhaps after I ride downtown today, which will occur around 4 o'clock. All right, much further along in the day, I had a bike ride outside, laid out in the sun for a little bit too. Did about a 6-mile bike ride, nothing super crazy, but yeah. Then I went to Costco. So here's some of the things that I bought. All right, so in the effort of saving money and not going out and eating out as much, got some nice, what looks like some tomatillo sauce corn rolled enchiladas. So that's pretty good. I do see some cheese on top, so it does have milk or dairy, but it is gluten-free, 20 grams of protein per serving, and a serving is 1 enchilada. Like, who eats 1 enchilada? Come on. But still, this was like 12 bucks for 6 enchiladas. I'm down. Got Pirate's Booty. This is always good for like later on, you know, in the night when you're watching a movie or something like that. That's great. One of the cool things at Costco that I really like as of recently is this Irish stew. It is amazing. And the actual, you know, take a look at the back here. I mean, look at the fat and everything. It's so low. Look at that. It's crazy, but the protein's super high. Of course, the sodium's high, but that's to be expected when you have meals like this. And honestly, if you're sweating hard and you're taking in a lot of water, it should be okay. But this is really good. I actually really like this stuff. If you shop at Costco, absolute staple, the chicken tortilla soup is really good. Something that's pretty neat if you have a nut allergy is this Wow Butter. It's got a lot of protein in it. So it's peanut free, and it's just tastes like peanut butter, but it has no peanut or any tree nuts. It's all natural and it's gluten free. I like this stuff a lot. Of course, that superset it with some celery, because that's what you got to dip it with, you know, or you dip the celery in that. So that's amazing. I got a bunch of avocados because I'm trying to do 2 a day. So that's nice. And I buy so much to where they ripen at certain stages to where there's always avocados that are ripe in my house. Normandy vegetables. Something that I kind of want to get into is just an extra serving of vegetables a day. So I got some frozen ones right here, and this in a skillet with a cover, maybe somewhere between 5 and 7 minutes. You know, you can have some nice vegetables. That would be awesome. Of course, $1.39. You can't pass up the organic bananas here in Austin, Texas at the Costco. Got some ready-made salad mix. So in a pinch, if you want a really good salad, I like this one a lot, the Mediterranean Crunch Chopped Salad Kit. I ditched the croutons. You can kind of see them through there. I don't really care for those too much, but everything else pretty good. $2.39, a pineapple, and this is going to be exciting in about a couple days. More avocados. We got some chia seed because I am out. Absolute staple in my smoothies. Put chia seed in there. And then, you know, I'm not super excited about this, but they're all right. And in a pinch, they're pretty good and they're full of protein. Although I kind of want to eliminate chicken altogether in the next 3 to 4 weeks out of my diet. I find that I just get way more lean without having chicken in my diet. Like if I have some really high grade beef or, you know, potentially some venison, some elk, pasture raised eggs, which they didn't have at Costco because the winter storm completely wiped out all the eggs in town. But yeah, I kind of want to get away from like pork, chicken, and I want to have lots of, you know, high omega-3 fatty fish and good things for me, my muscles, my heart, you know? So I'll let you guys kind of know how that goes throughout the vlogs, of course. But yeah, that's today's Costco haul. Not too bad. They also had a deal on this Orgain protein powder, which ordinarily is like 30 bucks here in town, but it's on sale for 22. This is a really good protein powder. I got away from whey protein. E-Money. Yeah. It's my brother, by the way. Did you get away from whey protein?
Oh yeah, years ago.
Do you feel any difference? Do you know any difference? Did you see any difference in your body?
Yeah, so the whey protein would bloat me all the time, constantly. And as soon as I switched over to this Orgain one with probiotics, it is, I mean, I'm definitely more shredded, no bloating. That was the main thing why I did it. And then also, I mean, it's just healthier.
Oh yeah? Yeah? What week are you on the program, by the way?
4, so I just upped it 1.
Okay, cool. But what program are you on? He's on one of my programs. He's been on 2 of my programs, actually. Which one did you start out on?
I started off on Anomaly.
How was it?
That one was freaking crazy. And then now I'm on Genesis, and actually last week,
yeah,
3 separate days, one person was like, dude, you're getting big. The next day, this girl came up to me and she said, I just have to tell you, you have like the most magnificent back I've ever seen. And then the 3rd day, someone's like, dude, is there another exercise that you can show me to like work out my back? I was like,
Genesis works. So that's like for intro, it's my intro kind of program, but I'm on it right now. I'm doing Genesis. Well, it's got like a 2.0 version. I'm kind of working on it. But the original Genesis is a really awesome program. If you're a beginner or an intermediate and you want to, you know, crack into the gym and have an awesome workout program, second link down below. You can check out all my workout programs there. Come join. Would love to hang out with you and see you on the other side with an amazing body, or maybe you're in the Facebook group or something like that. Check out the second link below. All right, you out of here?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we'll see you later.
Oh, yay, Thai food, Thai food.
Thai food, Thai food.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, man. That's today's Costco haul. Let's see what we get into later on. Okay, it's the next day. I did a volume pull workout today. I did it in like an hour, just about an hour, which was amazing with warm up and everything. So I'm at the house and I'm gonna show you what I put in my smoothie right now. I'm creeping out of a bulking stage, or I'm at the tail end of one. And so this is what's in my smoothie as of right now. So some things I actually grind up, like certain pills I'll grind up. We have a probiotic in there, a zinc tablet. We have about a cup or more of frozen blueberries, 1 scoop of collagen protein, 2 big heaping scoops of vegan protein. We got chia seeds, flax meal, and also 6 drops of iodine, right? Liquid kelp. There's also some chunky cacao nibs right there. It'll get all ground up, of course. About 1/3 of water in this kind of ninja thing. And yeah, so that's what's in there. I'll put more water and then it'll blend up pretty nicely. Here are some of the other pills I'm taking right now. We have some Thorn 2-a-day multivitamin, probably the highest grade multivitamin you could probably get right there. I believe this right here is called horny goat weed. I don't know why it's called that. Really good male vitality type supplement that you can get on Amazon, whatever. But yeah, this also has been shown to increase blood flow and, you know, maybe help build muscle. So there's some of that. We got some saw palmetto, good for the hair and skin right there. And we also have, since the breeze is pretty strong today, got an allergy kind of Zyrtec equivalent from Costco right there, just in case, the allergens in the air are pretty strong, which they kind of are when there's high wind in Austin, Texas. So I'm gonna blend all that up, put it down the hatch, and then probably pull tomorrow's breakfast from the fridge and bring it with me. I'm gonna eat that before my bike ride today. I just realized I gotta find eggs in town too. There's like a super shortage of eggs, which sucks because eggs is like one of the main things in my diet. It's crazy. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. And if I can't find eggs, I'm gonna have to eat like meat in the morning or something that's high in protein outside of the protein shake. But it's a beautiful day outside, so yeah, now that I'm done with the workout, it's time to go outside, do work, and also get some sort of cardio in, which is always fun. Should always do cardio. Also just made my middle meal of the day right here, which will occur either before or after my bike ride. We have some sardines right there. You can kind of see it's kind of interdispersed. Can of sardines, 1 avocado, vegan chickless salt from Trader Joe's, half a can of Great Northern beans, organic ones. You can kind of see them in the corner. Tiny bit of hot sauce. You can see that with those red specks. And that's pretty much it. So the avocado kind of helps congeal this meal together, so it's nice and flowy. Avocado also provides really healthy fat. Of course, gonna get that awesome omega-3 in my diet today from those sardines. And the Great Northern beans are an amazing way to get carbs and protein as well. So that's gonna be my middle meal of the day. A couple days later, it's nighttime, I was able to find eggs, oh my gosh. And I found some good ones from a place called H-E-B here in Texas. But regardless of where I bought these eggs, the type of eggs that I consume are very important. So pasture-raised eggs is where it's at. When you crack your egg, if it doesn't look like half of a ping pong ball with a deep yellow or sunset orange color, okay, then you're eating the wrong kind of eggs. Pasture-raised eggs come from chickens that are free to roam around the pasture and eat things like grubs and high-quality greens, which transfer into the egg, which you end up eating. It's been known that pasture-raised eggs can contain as much as 60% higher, values of omega-3. So you gotta get into them, and this is what they look like. It's not gonna look like anything, different than what you guys probably mess with today. Now, if your eggs are white, that's a big mistake. The pasture-raised eggs almost always will look like this. Of course, when I crack them, I put them over here when I'm done, but here we have some more, and I have 3 more packs in the fridge. This was $6.88 for 18 of them. Yeah, pasture-raised eggs all the way. I'll try to flash a picture here of what it should look like when you're cracking your eggs. Remember, nice, round, kind of half ping pong ball looking kind of egg yolk, and make sure, all right, that it's a really deep yellow color, if not an orange sunset yolk. That's what you're looking for. So I'm gonna close out the vlog right here, and I'm gonna close it out actually with my downhill mountain biking ride, which is only like a 50-second kind of clip It was so much fun a couple days ago, and went downhill mountain biking and just had the itch. It was muddy, super muddy that day, and it was very sketch. Couldn't go as fast as I wanted to, and I did wreck. And you'll see that on the video too. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next BODDAMN video, and here is the downhill footage. Don't forget to stay active.
So sketch today, man. Yep.